Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Sandals Regency La Toc. Now this particular category is an Emerald Oceanfront. It's one of those lead-in luxury categories. Let me show you what it's all about. So just as you enter the door, you're gonna find your closet. So in here, you're gonna have a safe, extra blankets and pillows, golf umbrella, an iron and ironing board, and of course, plenty of room to hang your stuff. Directly across, you're gonna find the bathroom. This is where you can see the renovations that they did to this category, and they did a fantastic job. You've got a large backlit mirror and a magnifying mirror. You've got a plug for a shaver, full-size bath amenities from the Red Lane Spa. Now, if you wanna see the Red Lane Spa here on site or any of the spaces here at this beautiful resort, make sure you check out our full resort tour and the other rooms and suites, just in case you're considering upgrading. Now underneath, you're gonna have a little bit of storage, and then just through here, you'll see your large step-in shower. I'm a big guy, I love that there's plenty of room to move around. You've got your shower head here and a little nook for those amenities. Just through the hallway, you're gonna find your small butler's pantry. So you have a coffee maker and tea kettle with coffee and tea that'll be stocked daily for you. And just underneath, you're gonna have a mini fridge with beer, wine, soda, juices, and bottled water. Now, right next to the bed, you're gonna see your writing desk here. It also doubles as a bedside table. You've got 2 US plugs, 2 USB, and a UK plug as well. You can see you have a large king-size bed, one of those signatures of Sandals Resorts. And on the other side of the bed, you're gonna have a US plug, UK plug, and a Bluetooth speaker with a couple extra USB chargers. There's a fan up above, a great touch, and then you're gonna have a flat panel TV. It is interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the resort, in addition to watching television. Now, on the other side, you're gonna have a reading chair in the corner, and you've got a nice little love seat with a coffee table. Perfect place to have a cup of coffee in the morning. Now, one of the reasons people pick this particular category is it is oceanfront. So you have a French balcony, but you get those fantastic views looking out to the beautiful La Toc Bay in the distance, and you can open that up and get a fantastic breeze coming off the water. Now, I mentioned earlier we have the full resort tour here, but this resort is one of those stay at 1, play at 3 here at St. Lucia. So if you want to see the other 2 Sandals resorts here, you can check out our full resort tours as well, and you can explore them while you stay. Now, when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any at Sandals or Beaches Resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches Resorts, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, group, wedding party, or your honeymoon at an incredible value.